have over 23 Dollar Tree hidden gems that you are not gonna wanna miss. And with these prices, you are gonna beat Amazon. Plus, we're gonna have a ton of fun here today, like always. You are gonna love these jackpot hidden gems. Let's go. I'm gonna show you a really cool trick. Go into your Amazon app. If you see a product that you like, you're gonna click this little camera icon right there at the top. We're gonna price match this. I'm gonna click search, and we're gonna see what this is priced at when you go into Amazon. Pretty amazing. Takes just a few seconds. You can see right here on Amazon, this is priced at about $8, 18 bucks, 9 bucks, $54, holy smokes, $21. So use this little trick when you're ever trying to find the best priced item. Oh my goodness, you have to see this. Come here, check this out. Car sauce cup holder for $3. We definitely need to take this one for a spin. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, car sauce cup holders. Fits vents of all shapes and sizes. Mounts, rotates, and locks into 16 positions for different vent angles. Okay, let's just try to get this bad boy open. And then, ooh. Okay, so you can take these out. A little bit flimsy. Let's just stick it in here. Let's go like this. Let's just see. Securely fastened, huh? Ooh, yep, oh look at it. Would you like some ranch? Let me rotate it to you. That's great. Or if you had ketchup, you could put it in there. Okay, I'm loving this. All right, we're hanging out here in the car. We're gonna eat some chicken nuggets. We're making calls. We're loving life with our dipping sauces. Okay, this is cute. I like it. Normally I'd be driving and it's like in my lap, or I'm trying to balance it like right here, making sure it doesn't tip over. You know what I mean? Okay, this is fun. This is a win. When you're done dipping, if you didn't use all your sauce, you just take that out and good to go. You just put it in your little car thing here. If you got a friend with you, you're gonna be like, just a minute, let me bust out this really cool tool while we have a nice little decadent lunch here at McDonald's. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. The 4th of July is just around the corner. Do not spend your precious dollars anywhere else than the Dollar Tree. I am so impressed with all the items that they are carrying this time of year. If you are hosting a party, if you just want to celebrate with your family and friends, if you are having a big to-do, Dollar Tree has you covered. They got the gear, they got the hats, they got the decor. You can do like an entire costume party all in 4th of July goodies. Oh my gosh, do you see all this stuff? Look at this. Right here, we are having a party. Come down here. I'm so excited. And this. I mean, you, Lady Liberty, here we come. Yes, look at, guys, look at this. We have paper trays. So you can put your hot dogs in here. You can put your popcorn in here. You put all the things. Look at this right here. Like Dollar Tree's really outdone themselves. Oops. Oh, don't worry. I'll pick that up. Hot dog holders. Yes, for $1.25. And then for your sweet treats, we have 12 tinsel food picks. These are absolute, I mean, they have everything. Do you want a USA 4th of July gnome to hang on your door, decor, cups, plates? Oh, garland and tinsel. Moving into some summer parties. School is going to be out very soon, so now is the time to get your planning on. Tablescapes, house decor, all the decor. What more could you ask for when it comes to celebrating that school's out and it's time for the summer fun to begin? Maybe you have a birthday party in the summer or the upcoming year. This is a great time to stock up because look at how bright and festive these items are. These not only work for summer, but really any sort of fun party that you might be hosting. If you thought the 4th of July glasses were good, oh my goodness, check out these for your summer party. Oh gosh, I can't put them on. Watermelon ones, and then we have some avocado ones. Like, oh, these are adorable. And then all you have to do is, like, you show up to your party and you just have sips all day. You can put your lemonade in here, you can put your kombucha, you can put all your tasty things. Just hanging with my nomies, if you know what I mean. I love me a good flip-flop that you can slip on and slip off easily no matter where you're going. You don't have to worry about them getting dirty. And for $1.25, I have to say the quality on these is quite amazing. So many different sizes available, both for adults and for kids. This is great for kids, so stock up if you see something that you like. Or maybe you just need some garage sandals. You know, you gotta go get something in your garage. Maybe you have a refrigerator or a freezer in there. Sandals are great to slip on and off. Moving into these reed diffusers, I absolutely love these. They look so stylish. They look so chic. I recently used this in one of my clients' homes when I redid her closet makeover on a budget. We have surf and sun, sea glass, and driftwood, and I'm definitely stocking up on some of these for some of my future clients' closet makeovers. Oh my word, the beach decor. You could do your entire house, bathroom, bedroom, closet, laundry room, and all things beachy. I like this living in the cold Midwest. I want beach all day, every day. Look at all these goodies and gems. Dollar Tree, you have really outdone yourself. Ooh, let's go down below here. See these canvas prints? I absolutely love these. Dollar Tree carries these in another section where there are a lot more variety available, but here are the beach ones. I'm gonna grab a couple of these for when I do some closet makeovers. This is just a nice little touch that you can layer on a mantle. You could put this on the wall. You could put this on any sort of shelf. Gorgeous. Moving into some outdoor supplies. Don't do all your outdoor chores by yourself. Incorporate your family, your friends, your kids, your nieces, your nephews. Make it fun. Check out this super cute rake. The best part about this is that it's easy to store, so if it's not raking season, you can just unscrew your rake from the handle. We're going to talk a little bit more about this handle a little bit later in the video. So if you are looking for some garden essentials, it is time to stock up, and the quality on these is pretty good. I want to give a huge shout out to Suzanne and Debbie. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. I appreciate you greatly. Many blessings to you and your families. Whenever I see beautiful candles and votives at the Dollar Tree, I fill it up. Oh, so cute, so gorgeous. I use these in my client's home. Mother's Day is just around the corner as well, so you can make a really beautiful gift basket for your mother. The price point is amazing. I like these little votives, not just for candles, but you can also put chapsticks in there. You could put jewelry in there. I like to call it a plop and drop. It's nice to have one of these on a dresser or a side end table. It looks chic, it looks cute, but it's functional. Kites, who doesn't love a kite? This brings me back to my childhood. Ooh, and I just had to pull this up on Amazon. $9 and up. And half the time it gets damaged anyway. It gets caught in a tree. It gets stepped on. Something happens to it. It flies away. So I would much rather pay $1.25. What a great activity to get outside with your grandkids or your kids, your nieces and nephews on a nice sunny day. Ooh, look at this beautiful aromatherapy signature collection. This is way cheaper than on Amazon. I often use a pillow spray at night just to get me mindful, get me in the mood, get my brain set that now it's time to wind down and relax. My daughter also loves using these. This makes for an excellent gift idea as well. If you wanted to create a sort of stress relief basket for somebody, you could put some bath bombs, put this in there, put a candle in there, just a I'm thinking of you basket on a budget, but it looks cute. Yes. Oh, and of course the candles. I have not seen these prints before. It looks so good, tranquil and clarity. I'm stocking up on some of these for my clients' homes as well. And the nice part about these smell excellent. It is not too pungent, like it doesn't make you want to never light it again. These are great in a bathroom, on a vanity, in a bedroom, in your kitchen, anywhere. Artificial flowers, from time to time, Dollar Tree will refresh this section, and that's when you want to stock up. You can make some pretty amazing things with these flowers. In a recent video, I showed you this in a client's closet. Yes, we were able to warm up the space a bit. I just took some Dollar Tree flowers, some clear Elmer's glue, and I filled a vase that I had on hand, and it just looks so beautifully displayed, and I can't even believe the price point on this. If you were to buy this somewhere else, it would be much more expensive. I've also used Dollar Tree flowers to create wreaths. I created a beautiful wreath in my daughter's room, and I'm not a crafty person, so if I can do this, you absolutely can do this as well. I also made a wreath for my son's room. They have a dinosaur vintage inspired bedroom, so I thought this would look perfect in there. crafts. Whenever you see great crafts at the Dollar Tree, stock up. Just create a bin in your house for your kids or your grandkids or the neighbor kids or whoever's involved in your life. This DIY macrame rainbow and feather kit I'm loving. The DIY gem art key chains. Oh, this is gonna be so amazing. Maybe you wanna get out from the summer heat and you wanna go inside, and rather than getting on the screens and the tablets, you could bust out one of these crafts. Kids will be occupied for a great amount of time. I looked these up on Amazon and they're about $10 a piece. Heck yes to the $1.25. Thumbs up if you can relate to this one. I am a list junkie. Yes, I like to have one list on my refrigerator where I put all the grocery items that we need, so that anytime something runs out or I'm reminded that we need something, I put it on the refrigerator. And also my kids can participate in this. If there's something that they want, they can go ahead and write it down on this magnetic list. When I go to the grocery store, I just go ahead and pull that baby off. And oftentimes I do not want to forget something, so if it's right in my face in front of the refrigerator, it's more likely that I'm able to do it. And they are so cute with the sayings on here. I've seen these in previous Dollar Tree videos, but I had to check them out for myself. These mini garbage cans, they are absolutely adorable. My daughter loves crafting and she's been asking for a garbage can in her bedroom for quite some time, but I thought, oh man, I don't want like garbage can hanging out. It just didn't go with the decor, but this is super cute and functional on her desk, and you can't fill it to the max because it's not that large. If you're in the market for something cute and functional, this is it. Oh, move on over here. These $5 ladies textured scuff slippers. Oh, these are looking great, especially for a mom, for yourself, for a friend. I recently bought a pair of these very similar on Amazon and I paid, I don't know, I think over $20 for them. I have to say, these are super comfortable. Come down here, you gotta feel these. Well, I know you can't feel them through the camera, but they are soft, they are grippy. I'm excited about these. Look at how cute these are. Oh yeah. Whenever I see a good storage cube, I am all in. At $3, I said, yes, let me stock up on some of these. I recently showed some $5 options from Target, and those are absolutely wonderful. I've used them in my house for years, but these Dollar Tree ones are equally comparable. So if you're in the market for storing some sweaters or some long sleeve shirts or something in a bin that you don't access on a regular basis, I would highly recommend these. Check out these beautiful lotions. Oh, I love the design on these. I had to pull these up on Amazon as well, and you are getting a steal of a deal from the Dollar Tree per fluid ounce. These are great for you. These are great for display. These would also be great in a gift basket, or if you just want to pair it with another gift, a little added something that's beautiful and functional. I always like to keep a little hand lotion in my car because oftentimes you just need something handy that's small and smells nice. Oh my gosh, here's something really annoying that happens. I want to show you this and a solution for it. I can't believe the Dollar Tree is carrying it. Look at this. Although this is in the $3 section, these beach chair clips 2-pack. Look at all these super cool designs. Oh my gosh, I hate that when the wind blows and your towel's flipping up and it looks adorable. It's cute. I mean, this is absolutely genius. For those of you that do not have a Dollar Tree Plus section, here's an alternative solution when it comes to those beach towel clips. Look at chip clips, 2 for $1.25. Look at how big that opens. So depending on the size of your chair, you could use these instead. You know the lint brushes with the sticky things on the outside, which are great, however it's kind of wasteful. Have you ever seen one of these? This is an old school lint brush. Let me show you how to use it. There's sort of a rough side that catches and a soft side. You want to go with the rough side so that it catches the lint. So let's find some lint on my shirt here, shall we? We're wearing black right here. See that right there? Done! Let me just hold this. Look at that. Look at that. No more having to deal with sticky tape. Let's get right in there. Yes, look at this. We are just going to de-lint all day here at the Dollar Tree. Yes, we are. Ooh, this is kind of addicting. Yes, we like it. This really works. This would be a great gift idea. I know it's weird, but I like things that are functional. Thumbs up for this one. I am so excited about this one. Look at this. A rubber broom. So if you have pets on hand, this is going to pick up all that hair easy peasy. And then watch this. Grab yourself one of these nice little dowels and we're going to... Yep, no, that didn't work. But don't you worry, I have a solution. Come with me. Do you remember this? I knew this looked familiar. This is where they used to be, ha ha ha. But genius, right? You can use it for your rake. You can use this in your car. You can use this really anywhere, like you want to get up high, all places. Yes, we can. I like this. I really do. This is great. This is great. All right, my friend, if you have not signed up for the weekly newsletter, make sure that you do in the description box below, because I do a ton of cash giveaways. Thumbs up, subscribe, and then click this video on screen now if you want to have some additional fun with me at the Dollar Tree.